Hello everyone, this side Abhishek Rawal, and today we are going to introduce you our new product, that is FMT 2100. So let me give you some short intro about our product or short specifications of our product. So it's a turbine based ventilator and compact in size, and the battery backup is 12 hours, and there is one more feature, that is body weight feature, and there is electronic FiO2 blending, electronic PEEP, and there is a expiratory valve, and it's a autoclavable and detachable, and it's easy to install and compatible with adult and pediatric, and it's a complete ICU invasive non-invasive mode, and it's a high level patient safety integration. Even we will give you a 2 year of warranty with replacement, and ventilator can run 24 into 7 hours, and it's a most economical, means best in price. And let's talk about service. Foremost, Meditech provide 24 into 7 hours services. So now let's talk about some technical specifications. Actually, we provide oxygen supply, or you can say source, for failure alert, and there is one more feature, that is advanced shutdown feature. एडवांस शटडाउन फीचर, जैसे कि आपने पावर ऑफ किया इसका स्विच, तो पावर ऑफ करने के बाद भी ये ऑफ नहीं होगा, आपको इसके स्क्रीन के थ्रू इसको ऑफ करना पड़ेगा। वो इसीलिए फीचर दिया है क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू डॉक्टर्स डिमांड, क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स ने बोला था कि सडनली कभी कभी ऐसा होता है पेशेंट के पे लगा हुआ है और सडनली कोई आया और वो पेशेंट को देख रहा है या फिर पैरामीटर सेट कर रहा है, बाय मिस्टेक वो स्विच ऑफ हो गया तो वेंटी ऑफ हो जाता है। सो उसी को हमने सेफ्टी को ही देखते हुए इसमें ये एडवांस फीचर डाला है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज हाई स्ट्रेंथ मेडिकल ग्रेड मटेरियल हमने इसमें यूज़ किया है, एंड इट्स अ 7 इंची मेडिकल ग्रेड TFT touch display, and there is one more interesting thing, that is inbuilt nebulizer with time settings up to 100 minutes, and advanced medical grade SMPS system, full control alarm parameters are there, extra monitoring parameters are there, like peak, or you can say minute volume, peak flow, etc. It's a lifetime waveform of pressure, flow and volume. And there is one more thing, that is encoder control, and also have leak compensation, and there is electric control trolley mounting, and it's a user friendly interface, and there is a bypass with auto flow, that is advanced, or you can say smart feature, and there is screen lock feature to prevent unnecessary disturbance, and it's easy to analyze patient data, लाइक आप जो वेव फॉर्म है वो उसको फ्रीज करके जो पेशेंट का एट ए प्रेजेंट टाइम में जो भी डेटा है वो इजीली एनालाइज कर सकते हैं। एंड वन अनदर थिंग इज दैट टू प्रिवेंट अलार्म नॉइज ड्यूरिंग संक्शन, लाइक अलार्म म्यूट फीचर इज अवेलेबल, एंड इजी टू स्टैंड बाय है, रीयूजेबल बैक्टीरिया वॉशेबल फिल्टर कह सकते हैं आप, एंड हाई प्रेशर सेफ्टी, लाइक ड्यूरिंग पाइपलाइन प्रेशर failure, and SFT valve is integrated to prevent ventilator from damage. So guys, this is all about our FMT 2100, and in another video we will briefly explain you about its modes and how is it work or how we can control its parameters. In next video we will explain you. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.